Share screen. Okay. Yesterday we were discussed about software development lifecycle and different functional modules. What is the difference between functional modules and technical modules? Correct? Any questions
Yes,
in
sir.
that?
No, sir.
Okay. Next one. So today, after completion of this particular course, and once you cracked any interview of any company like Wipro or what do you call it, IBM, NTT Data, or whatever company, then if you joined as an SAP MM consultant, so probably we might, before that, one second. Before that, I would like to show you. Give me a second time. This we already saw, the versions we have seen. So after completion, what are the different roles, right? So where we placed after attending interviews, where we are going to place, what is the role we are going to place, get, okay? So for example, here, I have given hierarchy. How the hierarchy will be there in any SAP environment, SAP companies, software companies. Okay, here. So as soon as you joined as a fresher, means you have completed your whatever graduation, BTech or whatever it is, BSc or whatever it is. So you have taken a course of MM or whatever other SAP course, and you have cracked interview in any company. Then you will start your career. Initial career, you will start as a associate consultant. As an associate consultant, 1 to 2 years people who were having 0 to 2 years experience, people, they will get a position called associate consultant. Okay. So once you worked 2 to 3 years or 4 years, then or 5 years, 0 to 5 years, 0 to 5 years experience, you will considered as an associate consultant. Associate consultant. And after that, 5 to 7 years. So you got good experience, hands-on experience, 5+ years experience. Then you will be considered as an 5 to 7 years. Okay. So you crossed your 5 years experience, then you will be considered as a senior consultant. Senior consultant. Okay. And 7 to 9 years. Okay. 7 to 9 years, you will be considered as a lead consultant. Could be, in general terminology, we call them as a team lead or assistant manager or manager. Okay. 7 to 9 years. Team lead, assistant manager or manager. So I'll just give a glimpse on package also. So here, if you are working in between associate consultant to here, then probably your package would be in INR, I am saying. So in INR, 4 LPA, 4 lakhs per annum to 15 lakhs per annum. 15 lakhs per annum, your salary may differ. from 0 to 5 years experience. I'm just giving a rough fake as per market structure. And here, your package would be around 15 LPA to 5 to 7 years, right? 18 LPA. Means 15 lakhs per annum to 18 lakhs per annum. Okay. When you are in this stage, lead consultant stage, then okay. So I'm just removing this. Okay. So here it would be 18 LPA to 30 LPA. 13 lakhs per annum. Okay. And again, from here, again, it will be get changed. It will be get changed. Clear? So as per your skill set, you will get a project manager or a program manager or a delivery manager or a practice manager or a practice head. This is the highest node, highest designation, practice head. SAP practice head. In any organization, SAP practice head is a highest node. Under that, we will have a practice manager. Under that, we will have a delivery manager. Means all the project responsibility will be held at delivery manager level. Under that, the program manager will report to delivery manager. And the project manager will reports to program manager. Okay. Lead consultant, your manager will reports to project manager. Okay. So here, senior consultant will directly reports to project manager. Associate consultant will also reports to sometimes lead consultant or project managers. So this is the hierarchy we will have. There is a hierarchy we will have. Associate consultant, senior consultant, lead consultant, project managers, program manager, delivery manager, practice manager, practice head. Okay. Again, package from here, we can't say what would be the exact package for them, because according to skill set, it could be anything. It could be anything. Is this clear? So till here only there is a limitation. Benchmark will be there. But here, from here to here, there will not be any benchmark. Any questions here? Any questions?
No, sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
Yeah. So this is about your hierarchy. Same thing in hierarchy also. Same I have mentioned here. Roles in FI consultant in a project, same thing. So normally till here I have mentioned here till project manager, what would be the role? As soon as you have joined as an associate consultant, okay, then you will be considered as a member in documentation team or member in, these are the different projects. So I'll explain what are the documentation team, support team, training team, testing team, consultant team, process designed team. Okay, different modules will have a different designations here. Next, as I said, the team member here is nothing but associate consultant or senior consultant. Till here it is associate consultant only. Till members in whatever member I have mentioned here. So all this considered as a associate consultant. Okay, and here it will be senior consultant, team member, and here it is senior lead consultant, and here it would be an integration manager, project lead, solution architect, and project manager. So these are the different designations we will have, and these designations will be look like the same, whatever I mentioned here. Position. Clear, everyone? Any questions here?
Clear, sir.
Okay. And one more thing. So you will get a question after computers, in the sense after completion of any course, we will be get certification, right? So here I'll tell you, you can get a certificate from us also, but that will not, our institute is SRUSTY Technologies, which is registered. Okay, ISO 9000, SRUSTY technologies. Okay, after completion of your course, okay, we can give you a certificate. We can give you that course completion certificate, but 100%, directly I'm saying 100%, whatever certificates, the private institutes like us across the globe, not only in India, across the globe, whatever institutes will give certification, that will not be valid. That will not be valid anywhere. Clear? If you went outside, they will say that, okay, course fees is 25,000, 30,000, 30K, and for certificate, we are charging 5K, and for server access, we are charging 10K. Entire course means 45K. So here we can pay for this 30K for course fee, and 10K for server access. It's okay, no problem. But 5K, whatever they are charging for certification. So if we will attempt it, right? It's okay, we are getting certification. But this is not at all a valid certification if institute is providing you. If I can say that, okay, SRUSTY Technologies also provides you SAP course completion certificate. If you do any job interview, if you go for any job interview, and you'll say that, okay, I have done my course and I got my certificate from so and so institute, but they will throw it out. Strictly, they won't consider at all. Okay, so that is the reason. Don't take any certificate from any private institutes. It's not at all a valid one. Straight away, I'm saying, even we will issue certificates by charging some amounts, which is not inclusive of fee. But absolutely, it's waste. No use. So only who can give the SAP certification? SAP certification has to be given by SAP AG company itself. SAP company itself has to certify that you have completed this particular course. Clear? SAP AG has to certify it. SAP AG has to certify it. Okay. And to do this certification, SAP will conduct, SAP AG will conduct one online test. One online test. Okay. And that I'll show you that's a test also. Test in the sense, I'll show you how it will be. So SAP AG will conduct one online test. And if we qualify that test, okay, that test, then you will awarded with SAP certification, and globally it is accepted. Globally it is accepted. So two certificates. One, your institute will give. Another one, if you write an exam, okay, for that we need to pay some amounts and all apart from our course. So SAP AG, we need to pay the amount for certification. So this certification will be valid across the globe, not only in one country. It is valid across the globe. Understood? So this certification we need to do. But normally, I'll advise after completion of this course, don't do any certification. Don't do any certification. Why? So after completion of this course, you will attend interviews and you will crack any job, any company like H Technologies or what we call Wipro or Accenture or Tech Mahindra or Capgemini. So once you joined any organization, any company, then the company will ask, then company will ask to do the certifications. Okay. And your company will pay the exam fees. You need not to pay a single NP from your pocket. Your company will sponsor, your company will pay the amount on behalf of you. Just what you need to do, you need to prepare the exam and you need to write the exam. Right? After completion of the course, if you want to do it, how much amount we need to spend, that I'll show you now. Okay, it's little expensive one. Okay, I'll show you here. Okay, so once, sorry. See, here, once we gain the knowledge on specific SAP skill, we have to demonstrate the same by completing the goal with help of SAP certification. Okay, it helps an SAP professional to prove the skill set with respect to demand in the market. It helps to improve in our resume. But again, I'm saying improve in resume in the sense only 10% weightage will be there. But 90% your skill set they will test. Clear? So I have done my all certifications after joining the companies only, not before that. So even I'm advising my students also don't do any certification prior, because your company, however, your companies are going to sponsor to do the certifications. So I'll show you that how to get the certification, how to. One second, give me a second. This is SAP. Explore your option. One second, I first. Or you can search in SAP dot. Let me check this, because the sites are got changed actually. One second, give me a second time. Let me search. Able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to do is, so just in Google, SAP certification, double click on SAP certification, okay, and select the country from which country you want to register. Okay, for example, I want to register through India. One second. So select India. Okay, so select India. Next one. So here you can see the list of certificates. There are number of certifications are there. SAP certifications. So here, click on SAP certifications. There are thousands of certifications. So one second. Okay, I'll show you 1 second. Get certified. Okay, actually this is. Book exam. Say becoming. Actually, this is changed actually computer certification exam. This is learning, huh? This is not required for us. See here, this is simple. So SAP certification. So here SAP has given two options here. Earlier it was only one, this one. So one attempt. See here, we have, if you are prepared SAP certification, right? We have two options, one attempt or 6 attempts. One attempt or 6 attempts. So for example, you paid some fees and you have selected one attempt, okay, and you failed. We have not cleared the exam. Then again, we need to pay the amount and we need to write again. So here 6 attempts in the sense, we need to pay one fee, and if you've not cleared in one attempt, then you can have 6 options, 6 attempts. Understood? The fee structure will also different. So we will see. So complete 1 year access, whenever you want to write, we can write it. One module, one attempt means what is the module we are preparing now?
MM
module.
material
So within a 1 year, today if you booked a slot, then within 1 year, any time you can write it, anytime. Not only today, if you book the slot, then any day you can write it. You need to just schedule it. That's it. You are paying fee now and you can schedule from today to 1 year. Anytime you can write the exam. Okay. So here, first we will see this one. Click on view details. Okay. So here it will show. If you go down, it will show the amount in India. Okay. So what is the amount?
18.
It is latest price, today's price, 18,223 INR. plus it is excluding GST plus add GST. Something it will cost you around about 21,000. Okay. So it will cost you certification one attempt, 21,000. Okay. So what you will do if you are not able to clear the exam, if you're not able to clear the exams in that particular attempt, then what if you want a certification, again, you need to pay 21,000. Clear? So you need to click on add to basket. You need to click on add to basket. Okay. So 18,223, this is excluding. Okay. So SAP certification, see course details, proceed basket. Okay. So you need to mention checkout. When you do checkout, then it will show you the what we call payment methods. So you will get an user ID and password. Okay. And that user ID and password you need to mention. Okay. And according to you need to pay the amounts. So this is about one attempt. Okay. I'll show you 6 attempts also. What was the cost? Okay. You can see 6 attempts in the sense, for example, I'll tell you. So one attempt, it costing you one attempt, one module.
Around 21,000.
21,000 change. Only one module you can write. Okay.
Yes, sir.
6 attempts. 6 attempts. Means you paid some amount, whatever fee they are saying, you paid. Okay, it is not for one module. Again, it is for, you can write, for example, I'll tell you, first attempt you failed. First attempt you failed. You're not clear. We have not cleared. So second attempt we have cleared. Second attempt we have cleared MM certification. We have cleared MM certification. We have cleared. So how many attempts are left?
4
Sorry?
attempts. 4.
4 attempts are left. Okay. Then we paid a lot of amount. Then is it going to be waste? No. You can give which module you have cleared? MM module we have cleared.
Yes, sir.
MM module we have cleared. Right? And we are having a knowledge on FI also. We have a knowledge on FI also. So third attempt, you can give other modules also. Third attempt, we can give other modules also. We can get the certification. Like FI. Third attempt, you have cleared FI module. Fourth attempt, you have cleared. We have given other module because I have another 2. After 3, we have another 3 more attempts, right? So fourth attempt, we have cleared SD module also. Sales and distribution module, right? So here we have finished FI module certification, and here we have cleared SD module. Right? So here, how many attempts are there? Still
2.
2 more. But here, what is the thing is, here you can give 6 attempts for one module or 6 attempts for 3 different modules. Only 3 modules we can clear. Understood? So if you have cleared all the 3 modules in 4th attempt, then 5th and 6th attempt will be waste. We can't. Clear? So same thing you will mention here. Click on view details. Okay. So here you can see the price. One attempt, it is 21,000. And for 6 attempts within 12 months. Okay. 24/7, you can write it. So 45,557 rupees, excluding tax. So it cost you around about 48 to 49,000 in INR. Okay. So what we need to do, you can give one module in 6 attempts till you clear, or if you cleared within stipulated time, 1 or 2 attempts, okay, then you can give another 2 different modules. You can mention a subscription of SAP 6 attempts provide you 12 months of access to certification hub, where you can schedule up to maximum 6 exams bookings over your subscription period. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Any questions on this? So how the question paper, I'll tell you. So you will get all this here. 1 attempt by 6 attempt. Okay, list of valid certifications. Okay, here you will find list of your certifications. For example, these are the certifications. Code, certification code will be there here. So here you will find your logistics. As I said, there are thousands of integration, Fiori, IBP, S/4HANA asset management, cloud, warehouse management, analytical cloud, process management, system administration, HCM, human resource capital management. So we need to search actually. Project system, quality management, production, show. Accounting associate, management accounting, finance accounting. Here only you will find BW, cloud. One second. Financial accounting, sales. See here, this is source and procurement. This is source and procurement. This is called your sourcing and MM. So what is the code? C_TS452_2022. Okay. This is your certification, MM certificate. This is 2021 version and this is 2022 version. Okay. So here you can click view details. View details. So that they will mention here the clear what would be the duration and everything. System is little slow. This is our certification associate. This is sales, right? So here you can see certified sales 2021. This is not, so here everything will be the same. See here, I'll go back. SAP certification, list of valid certification once again. Okay, we have ours is in the bottom. What is our certification? Finance, procurement.
Sourcing and procurement.
Procurement 2021 or 2022, anything you can take. Okay, this is sourcing and procurement. That is nothing but your. So total, you can see a delivery methods, SAP certification, level associate level, exam, how much questions it contains. No negative mark for this. No negative marks. Exam contains 80 questions. Sample questions, view more. Cutoff score 64%. 64%. And for 80 questions, how much is the duration? 180 minutes. Okay, it's nothing but 3 hours, but hardly we can finish in 40 minutes or 30 to 40 minutes, you can finish off it. as per your practice. Okay. So language, different international languages. So topic areas here it will mention. Okay. So here complete procurement process out of 100 marks, percentage it is given 12%. Inventory management and fiscal inventory. Okay. 8% to 12%. Valuation of account assignment 8% to 12%. Purchasing optimization 8% to 12%. Enterprise structure 8 to 12%. So like this configuration of purchasing 8 to 12, all this means whatever topics we have. So all this will be distributed with the percentile. Clear? So this is the way we can.
Multiple choice questions, sir.
A bit louder, please.
Questions.
Uh,
Multiple choice questions.
yes, yes. Most of the times, multiple choice only.
Yes, sir.
We have a dumps also. I'll give you the dumps also. Okay. We will see certification model also. I think they have mentioned or not. SAP certification. List of validity or certification. Okay. So it's a lifetime validity we have. Lifetime validity, we will have a certification. I think I have shared the certification on this. It's more actually. I'll show you. Actually, they have not. I'll show you that certification because even I have done my certifications. I don't think I have. Model, it is not there. Yeah, you will get same. So the certification you will receive from SAP AG logo. See like this. Yeah, exactly. So here sample certification, you will get SAP logo here. Okay. And SAP certification, certified application, your name, it will be there, and certified application and validity. Now earlier we are used to get 3 to 5 years validity. Now we are getting lifetime validity. We are getting lifetime validity. See here. SAP architect, project manager, sample certification, these all are. So only this has to be given by SAP AG. So for that, we need to pay the amounts. Is this clear? Any questions on this? So my advice to all my students, normally I'll give. So after completion of course, don't do any certification of SAP AG. So once you cracked interview, once you joined any organization, the organization itself will ask you to do certifications. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Can we rewrite the exam next year, sir, if we fail
Sorry?
in that particular year?
For
If we
example,
fail
now
in that
you paid the fee.
particular,
For example, you paid the fee on 31st, sorry, what is today's 11th or 12th, 15th March of
15.
2024. So this validity will be there till 14th March 2025.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you need to give the attempt in between this period. Did I
Next year, can't we give?
next year?
Again, we have to pay the fees.
Exactly. If you are not able to write the exam, you booked it today, and you have not able to write the exam on or before 14th, whatever, what is today, 14th March 2025. Okay. And you want to write on 50 or on 20th of 2026, then already your validity is finished. 1 year validity is finished. So again, if you want to write on 2025 April, then you have to pay again.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Understood.
So whatever fee you paid, that would be normally whenever we are ready, then only we will pay the amount. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions regarding certification? So why I want to share this in the sense, see, if any institute is offering you to do certification, we will provide a certification, then it will not have any value. Clear? Only
Clear, sir.
who is have a authority to give the certification, who will have authority to certify? Only SAP AG will have a authority to certify you. Clear? And you get whatever site just now I have went. So you can just type it as an SAP certification. Then you will get all the details. When you want to write from there only, you need not to go anywhere. Okay. Just you can sit in your room, you can write your exam.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
And duration is 3 hours. As I said that once we complete this particular course, if you practice very well, then hardly it will take 30 to 40 minutes to clear the exam. Hardly.
Any mock tests will be provided, sir?
I'll give you, let's see, at the end, what I'll do, we will have some dumps, old dumps.
Okay, sir.
Means old exam dumps, previous version dumps. So that we will provide you so that you can practice from that. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. So normally outside people will charge that also 2,000, 2,500 for that. But here we are going to give those dumps free of cost for your practice purpose.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
So this is about your certification part. So we saw what is the roles and what would be the roles, what would be the designations in SAP once you cracked interview, and what would be the roughly salary packages I have mentioned. Clear? That is not accurate. See, once you crack the job, you got around 3.5 lakhs. Then you're not supposed to say that, sir, you said 4 lakhs and here we are getting only 3. It's again company to company different. You can get more also, but no restriction in that.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Next one. So after completion, after joining any organization, there would be SAP will have different types of projects. 5 different types of projects. One is implementation project, support and maintenance project, upgradation project, a rollout project, and enhancement project. Implementation project, support or maintenance project, upgradation project, rollout project, and enhancement project. So these are the different projects we will have normally. Implementation, support or maintenance, upgradation project, rollout project, or enhancement project. So what do you mean by implementation project? So first I'll give only a simple introduction, and we will discuss in next session. What do you mean by implementation project? Okay. Implementation project is nothing but, for example, as I said, we took Ready Labs, right? Ready Labs is there from, for example, 1970 onwards. I'm taking example. And now it is 2024. Okay. From 1970, from 1970 to till 1st January 2024, they are using legacy system. What do you mean by legacy system?
Non-SAP software they are using.
All non-SAP systems, all non-SAP systems, we call it as a
Legacy software.
legacy system. Don't get confused. What do you mean by legacy system? Non-SAP system. Okay. So here they are using non-SAP system called, for example, Oracle. Okay. They are using a software called Oracle from 1970 to 2024. So they have an issue with the Oracle. They are not getting a proper reports. They are not getting a proper transaction postings and all. So they want to withdraw Oracle. They want to remove Oracle software from their organization. They want to introduce Ready Labs. Ready Labs wants to introduce SAP software in their organization. Okay, in their organization. So freshly introducing the software in the organization, then that particular project is called as implementation project. Newly implementing. Understood what do you mean by implementation project?
Yes, sir.
There is no SAP system in Ready Labs, and they want to introduce SAP in their organization. If they are introducing SAP in their organization, then that particular project is known as implementation project. That particular project is known as fresh introduction is known as an implementation project. Fine, understood what is meant by implementation project?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. Okay, so here company, see implementation project. Company decided to use SAP software in their organization, in their company. Then they need to first configure and customize. We discussed what do you mean by configure and what do you mean by customize, correct?
Yes, sir.
Remember that,
Yes, sir.
right? The software according to their business requirements. Generally, a client is nothing but a customer, or a company assigns implementation project to a professional software company. What we call that professional software company? What partner he is? Sorry?
Development partner.
Exactly.
Development
Where
partner.
we are implementing?
Ready Labs. Or
Ready Labs. What we call them?
Implementation partner.
And who is
Or
providing SAP?
software. SAP AG.
AG. What we will call software provider. You remember that yesterday? Software
Yes, sir.
provider. Okay, development partner, implementation partner, software provider. Correct? So here, professional software company. We took here company as a Ready Labs and software development partner as a Infosys. Correct? And as usual, SAP AG would be the software provider. For example, same. If Ready Labs wishes to run company software on SAP, then they assign a software company like Infosys. They assign the project, okay, to a software company like Infosys. In this phase, Infosys implements. Who is implementing?
Infosys.
Who is introducing? Infosys is introducing, correct? Infosys is implementing. Infosys implements the software in Ready Labs company. Fine. Normally in implementation project, What would be the team size? The team size would be 20 to 100 people approximately. 20 to 100 members will be involved. I'll tell you who all are there, 20 to 100. Okay. And normally implementation project duration would be around 12 to 24 months. Okay. Normally in implementation project, what would be the duration? This is, I'm saying approximately. It's not accurate. It could be less than that. It could be more than that. And this is also team size would be 20 to 100 approximately. It's not accurate. It could be less than that. It could be more than that. According to the size of the project. Okay. So 12 to 24 months it will take. Understood? What do you mean an implementation project? The fresh introduction SAP into any company, then that particular project is known as an implementation project. Right? And what would be the duration of the project? Approximately 12 to 24 months. It could be lesser or more than that also. And what would be the team size? Normally 20 to 100 members. Again, it's approximately, not accurate. Fine. And in interview, no one will ask you this thing. But you need to have a knowledge on different projects. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So what we'll do, we'll continue the topic from Monday again. So Monday onwards, we are going to stretch little from 8:30 to 9:45 our time. So because it is little, literature will be more. Okay. A lot of literature is there, so we need to understand. So go through once. I'll share the recording and documentation today. Okay, yesterday's and today's recording. So go through once perfectly, because if you are clear with this concept, then the implementation part will not be an issue for us. Technical terms we need to understand. Is that clear?
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Any questions before I call it for today?
No, sir.
Yes, no. If you don't have any questions, then we can wind up.
Okay.
Both.
Okay, sir.
And probably from Monday onwards, few more needs to join. Actually, I'm not sure. But still. No questions?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you then.
Thank you, sir.
See you. If at all any Saturday or Sunday session is there tomorrow or day after, I'll update today EOD. If you are comfortable to attend, please try to attend. I'll share the link also, because those topics would be a general topics. General in the sense, which is related to SAP
Okay.
only, general in the sense. Okay?
Okay, sir. I am interested.
Sorry?
Okay, sir. I am interested to
Okay,
listen.
I'll update you that, because other batches I need to check. So I'll update accordingly. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.